Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today we're working on this LaColors look, and it is their new released holiday little dollar palette, like stocking stuffer palette. It's called Stylish, and this is the more like warm kind of palette that they have to offer in the pink packaging. Really cute packaging. Here I'm showing you I'm using the LaColors Lip Oil, and this thing is awesome, so hydrating for your lips. And this is the Maybelline Color Tattoo VIP, and I'm applying that all over the lid and up into the crease. And this is our secondary base, and I'm using this secondary base to show you guys how eyeshadow applies with and without it, in a sense. So on my right eye, no secondary base. On my left eye, I did apply the secondary base. It gives the shadow something to stick to. And I'm just picking up this nude eyeshadow in the palette. It's a matte, and I'm just messily placing that in the crease, basically using that as a transition color. Just laying that down is going to help with our blending. And I'm going to take the Sassy and Chic, the brush cleaner, and I'm wiping off my crease brush. You can see it's picking up the product. Really awesome find at the Dollar Tree. We're going to be picking up this nice, beautiful burgundy shade, and I'm applying it with this fluffy brush in my inner and outer corner, and I'm going to meet those in the middle in the crease, and I'm going to leave the center of my eyelid blank for the time being. Now you see how sheer that applies. This palette is okay. I mean, I'll be honest, like, I was kind of disappointed in this little palette, and normally I don't say a lot of bad things about LaColors, but this is the difference in between using a fluffy brush also and like a packer brush. So you seen the crease brush was kind of like sheer wash of the shade, and now I'm using a lid brush or a flat shader brush, and I'm really packing it on. So that's the difference in what brushes will help you with your look as well. So I wanted to do this look. Not only is it beautiful and easy to achieve, I wanted to give you tips along the way. So when you run into these little palettes that might not be very pigmented, see, this is a golden shade, and this is a really good example. I'm picking that up on an eyeshadow brush. It applied sheer to the lid, okay? So I'm going to pick up Maybelline's Color Tattoo in Barely Branded, and I am also going to use this as a secondary base so the eyeshadows have something sticky to stick to. They will adhere better. It will grab onto that and really show its true pigment. So I'm just placing that in the center of my lid. And then you're going to go back in with the golden shade and press that into the Color Tattoo, or whatever you choose to use. Eyeshadow stick, Color Tattoo, gel eyeliner, and look at the difference. Really impressive. Now I'm going to take and apply a little bit more of the burgundy shade against the edges of the golden eyeshadow we placed down. I'm going to do this on both eyes, but like I said, there isn't a huge difference with this particular palette in sharing with you the secondary base, but the difference in brushes and stuff, here I'm just highlighting with the Color Workshop Brow Highlighter. But the difference in brushes and some secondary bases really make a difference, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. See, like I said, you saw the fluffy brush application versus the flat shader brush application. It's all about the tools and techniques you use to really help these little bitty eyeshadow palettes out when they don't perform their best. This is a duochrome shade. It's a white with a pink shift. I'm picking that up on a sponge applicator, and I'm also going to put that in the inner corner, and I'm going to place the burgundy shade on my lower lash line. So we're going to go back in though with that sponge applicator, get you some of that duochrome shadow from the palette on the sponge applicator, and spritz it with setting spray, and that's going to make it more vibrant. So I applied that to the left eye and not the right, and the difference in the inner corner is, wow. This is the LaColors Liquid Eyeliner. We're using the Jordana 12-Hour Pencil to tightline as well. I'm going to bring that a little in my lower waterline. Not all the way in. I'm going to leave the first half of it open. This is the Covergirl Supersizer Mascara. And I am applying 2 coats of that, and I wanted to share with you guys, I got it on my nose. If you allow that to dry, you can take a Q-tip and it wipes right away. It doesn't really mess up your makeup. I just wanted to retouch my makeup. Now this is a liquid lipstick, possibly liquid matte gloss. Amuse, yeah, and I think it's number 11 or something. I got it from Shop Mascara. Very beautiful. I'm going to set my makeup with the Hard Candy Longwear setting spray, fan myself off like a boss, and we're done. We are done and done. Now, I know I always say this, but look at those green eyes, you guys. They're so they're so beautiful and popping. And this is a beautiful holiday look as well. I was a little disappointed at first in this palette, but it definitely worked out in the end. I do love LaColors. I don't like to meet products that I don't like from LaColors, to be honest. But it did work out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful. We'll try the look out for yourself, and definitely took maybe some tips away that you didn't already know. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links and a product list.